Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, Tropical Storm Elsa, which was downgraded from a hurricane earlier today, is now lashing Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Its wind speed fell to 70 miles per hour as it continued to affect the Caribbean. Now, according to the National Hurricane Center, the storm is not projected to regain hurricane strength, which requires a wind speed of at least 74 miles per hour. The storm's forecast cone remains just west of South Florida, but some models still show it striking the region. Head of the Met Service, Evan Thompson, says Jamaica will be affected by the system.
That's what we're expecting. We're also expecting that the strong winds that make it a tropical storm will also start to impact Jamaica, and so we could get storm force winds over sections of the country, mainly again in the north and east because that's closest to the center of the system, but the entire country really could experience some tropical storm conditions. Of course, with the rainfall, you could also get flash flooding, so we should be aware of the possibility of flooding at this time. And of course, if you're along the coast of the north and eastern parts of the country, you could also see some storm surge coming in those areas.